Yo guys, it's me MDP Gameplays, and as y'all know, this weekend was GameOn 2018 Video Game Culture Con Lithuania, Vilnius, the Expo. So we got fan tickets and we got fans LootBag. So for those who didn't get LootBag, I thought maybe I gonna do an unboxing. As always, with one hand, let's take a look what's inside. Let's grab one item by one, just like that. As we see, we got an mousepad, some Players Portal Super Games. Let's put it to the side. We have, ooh, this one maybe the best part, I think, of this loot bag. So it's the t-shirt of the GameOn with the VR glasses with a big katana on the keyboard. Ooh, it got some great feel on this t-shirt, and of course the GameOn. Awesome. Okay, do we have something more? Oh, this is the quest, which you can learn the secrets, write the answers, and you can win the something. There, we have awesome games. This is the games from the GameOn indie bundle. I didn't open it, so just we open it, but for now on, just put it to the side. There's something that's from Turf Gaming, Rockstrix. Oh, those headphones, yeah. Let's put it to the side. Magnum Games, one more Rockstrix, Asus Z390. I want that one. Okay. Do we have something more? Oh, we have ESET. Yeah, 6 months license for the ESET multi-device security. And we have anything? There's the same candy bar. Oh, this goes to my wife. We have something more? No. There was a water bottle, but I like water, so I drank it. So, here it is. Now, let's get into this boy. We need some knife to open it. Place it like that. Maybe, yeah. I guess the correct it. Yeah. So, you're a proud owner of the GameOn Games bundle, which means you're the most amazing person, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, let's open it. And boom. Okay, we have some cards, as I see. Oh, my. There's a lot of cards. Absolver, Monaco, Chromagum, Stick. What is there? There's just like a black. There's learn more about the games inside. Oh, this is like the games. Yeah. Monaco, Solver on Dusty Rails, Romagun, Stick Fight the game, and I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it. So here we go, 2018 GameOn LootBag unboxing. It was MDP Gameplays. So please guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share. That's it. Oh, and of course, if you don't like it, press don't like. So thank you for watching. It was good to talk to you.